Samsung Galaxy S26 unlocked, powerful processor. Review and unboxing. Welcome to the channel. Today we are checking out the unboxing and first impressions of the new Samsung Galaxy S26 in the stunning Cobalt Violet color. This unlocked device arrives with a very strong proposition of performance and intelligent features. Upon opening the box, the first thing we notice is Samsung's refined design, which maintains the characteristic elegance of the line, now with a finish that draws attention for its sophistication. The big highlight of this model is the processor, which is the fastest and most powerful ever embedded in a Galaxy to date. It was specifically designed to handle heavy tasks and offer an extremely fluid user experience, which makes all the difference if you use your smartphone for multitasking or demanding games. Additionally, the device comes ready for the era of artificial intelligence. The Galaxy AI feature truly raises the bar for usability. With Photo Assist, you can transform your photos in seconds, adding objects or restoring details with simple taps, which opens up a huge range of creative possibilities without the need for complex editing apps. For those who enjoy consuming content, the screen is immensely immersive. The display quality makes videos and images come to life with vibrant colors and excellent brightness, regardless of the environment. And we cannot forget the front camera, which was designed to capture more of the scene, making group selfies much more practical and ensuring that no one gets left out of the shot. Another point that facilitates daily life is the Now Nudge feature, which uses artificial intelligence to offer smart suggestions at the right moment, helping you stay organized and respond to messages much more quickly. The battery also promises to be durable enough to keep up with this intense pace of work and personal use. And for those thinking about getting theirs, Samsung has a very interesting pre-order offer. By purchasing the 512GB model, you secure a promotional bundle with an Amazon gift card. This offer is valid until March 10, 2026, so it is a great opportunity to get the device with an extra benefit. In short, the Galaxy S26 positions itself as a robust choice for those seeking power, cutting-edge technology, and features that truly add value to daily life. If this review was helpful to you, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel to follow more technology reviews. The promotional link with all the special pre-order conditions is available right below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.